back to my channel. I'm Lindy and this is Lindiorslife, and you are back for another one, baby love. Today, first of all, it is Vlogmas slash 8 days of December, day 4. Yeah, day 4, and we got a brand new wig install, because you know I had to bring at least one of those for y'all in my 8 days of December, 8 days of Christmas series. So let's get into the wig I got. Okay, so if you didn't see my what was it, Black Friday haul, if you didn't see my Black Friday haul, link it in the cards, baby, you know the vibes. But I got this wig on Black Friday from Your Beauty My Duty. Yeah, and it was literally like $80, and I just wanted to try it because why not, you know, waste money if it's bad. But it's a body wave hair, I believe. No, it's deep wave, a 13x4 frontal, and it's 22 inches, and it's deep wave, right? The only thing it came with is a wig cap. Let me pull that out for y'all. So yeah, it literally just came with the standard, you know the vibes. So that's kind of like, okay, I mean, am I a little spoiled with other companies? Probably, but yeah. And then it comes with the wig. So this is the wig. I've already washed it, so this is like natural texture. This is natural texture, and I did some plucking. Not too much, but I did do a little bit of plucking. This is inside. It's got all the combs, all the things. Comb in the back, this in the back. Standard wig, right? So today we're gonna put it on and see if we can make it look good. Now from first, oh, let me tell you about when I was washing it. So basically, shedder. We knew that was gonna happen though. But while washing, it was very much a shedder. But I did bleach the knots and pluck and everything, so that might be the case. The ends feel dry. That is a thing. The ends definitely feel dry. But I mean, overall, not bad. It's not the softest curly hair I've ever had, because like I said, the ends feel dry. But overall, right now, I'm saying it ain't that bad. But let's get into the installation. Okay, so I start off with stockings, literal stockings that I've been cutting up. I got like 3, 4, 5 different installs out of this one stocking. So that's how I do my stocking cap method. But everything else is kind of, you know, normal for stocking caps. Like you cut the ear tabs. I tie it up in the back. Oh, actually I have started doing going in with the spray. So I use this even lace spray, and then I'll put some lace glue on it to really seal the deal. But when you do that, make sure you don't put too much lace glue, because the lace glue takes forever to dry, and I hate that. But yeah, that's what I do with my wigs now. Or yeah. Honestly, lace tint is the only way to go for a ball cap method. Like, I love it. It just does the job. It eats the girls up. It's just, like, I don't have to waste makeup. Like, come on. Look, I usually do about 2 sprays, and I just get in there. Look at that. Period. And I do it before I cut. Then you go and you cut. And because of the lace glue, it just melts. Baby, it melts. Now, as you're trying this on, clearly I can see that the lace is very white. You can put lace tint in the lace before you put it on. Sometimes I do that and sometimes I do it afterwards, but just so you know, you can do it right now, but I plan on doing it afterwards. You gotta slick them baby hairs, flyaways away before the install. It just makes it so much cleaner and easier. So I just get that hot comb, I get that wax stick, I push them things back. Glue. I only use one layer, so my first layer is usually, well, my first and only layer is just a decent layer. Granted, I could have used less here because it took forever to dry and I got impatient, but yeah, I just do one layer. It does what it needs to do. Now we're getting to the styling. Because it's a curly wig, really I just need it to be flat up top and curly at the bottom. So I'm going with my wax stick again and the hot comb and just combing it out, trying to get it flat. Honestly, I would say if you want it to be flatter, definitely part the top of it out and use the hot comb in sections, but I just did it this way. And then I'm gonna go in with just some water just to wet it down, and that's just water. So I'm just wetting it down, cut my fingers through it, and I have this like curly brush I'm gonna use a little later too. But that's pretty much it on the styling of it all. Okay, after the lace is cut and it's clearly white as hell, I go in with this True Match lace tint spray. I spray it in a like little bowl and I go in my brush and I apply it. I find this to be better because this spray, honestly, I probably could get a lighter version, but a little goes a long way. So I just go in with the brush and I just swirl around the lace until it gets a little saturated enough to pick up the pigment, and it just melts in. Like I said, a little goes a long way, so sometimes it can get a little red, as you can see, but nothing that can't be fixed. And then I go in with this holding mist or holding spray, which I don't really think I like this holding spray the way TikTok girls been talking about it. I'd rather just go in with the even lace spray in the same way, like put it on your finger and then put it on the lace and then put the just had a brain fart. You gotta put the band on and spray it. I'd rather do that, but it was cool for the time. I just finished it off by putting some powder in my part or whatever, and then adding a little bit of baby hairs. I was going back and forth if I wanted to add baby hairs at all, but I just did like a little light baby hair on the sides. I'm actually more and more kind of not feeling baby hairs, but I don't know. We'll see if I keep them or not. But yeah, that's it. Okay, y'all, this is the final look, baby, and I'm kind of eating. This is what the full. Oh, let me try to show y'all the best I can. This is how long it is on me. This is the 22 inches. Goes down about under boob, but yeah, y'all, this is the full and final look. Let me zoom in. There's a little glimpse at the lace. Cute. Yeah, I personally love the look. Now, do I love the hair? Not really. It's not that soft, but I mean, to be as expected from a random Amazon store that sell hair, and I spent $80. But to be honest, for $80, this is good. I'm not gonna lie. The notch bleached decently, you know what I mean? If you plucked it more, well, that's not bad, but you know, you could really really get into the plucking and it be like really giving scalpiana. But I think this is really good for what it is. This is really good. And the ends, like I said, are kind of dry, but you could always moisturize or you could cut them. So yeah, but this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and holla at your girl down in the DMs, down in the comment section, and let me know how you feel about this look. Bye.